Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if rides registered on your Garmin Edge 540 aren't synchronizing with your Garmin Connect application or Strava application. So maybe let's start with Garmin itself. Let's go to the control center and let's check our phone connection in here by going to the control center and resynchronizing our connection with our smartphone by clicking this synchronize icon next to phone. And then let's also check the connection itself. Let's make sure that it's enabled. Okay, and we don't really have anything useful in this for this situation in these settings. So the rest of them, if everything looks clear here, the rest has to be done on our smartphone. So let's unlock our device. Let's enter the Garmin Connect. First of all, let's make sure that our device is synchronizing. Let's make sure that it has this green icon in the top right corner of it, which means that it's connected to our smartphone. And from now on, every activity that you start on your Garmin device will be automatically transferred to your Garmin Connect. If it's not happening, you can easily repair your device by simply selecting your Edge in the top right corner of the screen and tapping the three dot icon, remove device, remove, then also go to settings and remove your device from your Bluetooth devices. Then return back to your Garmin Connect, then go to your connected device, to your phone on your Garmin, scroll down to phone, select it, then let's disable this connection. Let's select smartphone and let's forget this device, and let's select pair smartphone, and let's do the standard pairing procedure by scanning the QR code with our smartphone's camera. Follow the link, then connect your device, link it, give it all the permissions. Okay, tap pair. Okay, and at this point half of the issue is resolved, as we definitely have a stable connection between our smartphone and our Garmin. Now let's check the Strava part. So what we have to do to check the Strava connection is tap on our profile icon in the top left corner of the Garmin Connect application, and then we're gonna have to go to settings. After that, let's go to connected applications, select Strava, and make sure that you are giving Strava the activities sharing. You're sharing your activities with Strava right here. Okay, as you can see, everything is switched. Every data sharing is switched on. So now let's check the Strava part. And now here in Strava application, we're gonna have to go to settings, and we're gonna have to go to manage apps and devices. Okay, here we're gonna need to select our so from what I can see, we can only disconnect Garmin Connect. Okay, let's try to disconnect it, and then let's try to reconnect it once again. Let's connect Garmin, connect Garmin, agree. Okay, and so as you can see, the activities will be synchronized automatically as long as we have this checkbox checked. Okay, I was hoping to find some more advanced data sharing settings within Strava, but basically, as long as we have the Garmin Connect synchronizing with our Strava application, we will not have any issues with receiving our data and displaying it within the Strava app. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.